John-Marc, and thanks for checking out my latest drawing videos on teaching you how to draw a cartoon. Today's episode, I'm going to be sharing with you how to draw this cute little avocado. Who doesn't like an avocado? I do. It's really healthy for you too. So, if you guys have your pencil and you have some paper, I think we're ready to begin. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final third step. Now that was a fun lesson, and I hope you enjoyed it. Now, what can you take home from this lesson? Simple. Change it up. Change the style of the avocado, maybe the face, make it happy, sadder, or put another one next to it, or change the shape a little bit different. And when you have that done, even try coloring in with your colored pencils, or watercolors if you have that, for that matter. Those are other lessons I'll share with you in the coming days from now. Actually, full color detail stuff I'm working on. All right. So, as I always said, thanks for checking out this video, and have a great day. Don't forget to visit our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, maybe you should take a look at our bookstore and download or purchase How to Draw 50 Different Fish.